Uh-oh, guys, Tesla might be in trouble. Uh-oh, we have a lot to break down in this video regarding one company that could be stealing Tesla's lunch. Yeah, there's a lot of companies that are trying to steal Tesla's lunch, but one in particular that could, well, take all of their lunch, their dinner, the breakfast, the dessert, literally everything, guys. So if you all find value in this video, of course, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 17 stocks from Moomoo. Link down below. Limited time remaining, guys. Use that link. We'll talk more about that later, and now let's dive into the video. So you all know, right? Tesla's been an electric vehicle company that's catered more towards the upper middle class, middle class, upper middle class, and the wealthy class, right? These electric vehicles range from $40,000 to upwards of what, 100,000, maybe even more than that, depending on the features, the specs, what electric vehicle you pick. And the main thing here over the past couple of years and what they're going to be focusing on is introducing a more affordable model, right? The model, I think it's called the Model 2, right? Which is going to be 25,000-ish, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less per vehicle, which is going to penetrate the market that most Americans are in at the end of the day. When they look to buy a new car, they're looking to, buy one in the $25,000 to $30,000 range. Most Americans cannot afford Teslas that are 55, 60, 75,000, and obviously Elon Musk knows that, which is why eventually he does want to have a $25,000 model. But the million-dollar question is, guys, the multi-million-dollar question is, when is this actually going to happen? When is Elon actually going to unveil this new car and bring it to the market? Who the heck knows? I don't even know if Elon knows the answer to that question, guys, with all the craziness going on in his world, with all the companies that he's running at once. Well, maybe he has, he has his teams running the companies and so forth, but still, there's a lot going on in his world. And as Tesla, he's running Tesla, he's running SpaceX, he's running Twitter, all these companies, there are other electric vehicle companies that are coming to steal his lunch. You know that, I know that, everybody knows that, right? He was the first mover with Tesla, and we'll see if Tesla stays on top. Time will tell, guys. Of course, we'll see how this plays out over the next couple of years. It's going to be quite entertaining, to say the least. And now Volkswagen, guys, let's just dive into this. They are coming to steal Tesla's lunch, and Tesla might be in trouble here in the short term. So let me actually pop this up and show you guys what in the world is going on. So this car right here that you're seeing, this is Volkswagen's 25,000 euro model car, which essentially is in direct competition with Tesla's, Model 2, the cheaper version of the Tesla's coming out at some point, which again, nobody knows when that's going to happen, but this is Volkswagen's version of that. And I'm not too sure about the name. I mean, what kind of name is that? It's called the ID.2all. Am I saying this wrong, or am I missing something here? But that's the name of the car. And if you zoom in on this picture, if I zoom in, you guys will see it right there. And honestly, this is a pretty nice looking car right off the bat. I mean, it kind of looks like the Volkswagen Golf. I mean, you guys have probably seen that. Go look up that car. Not too bad. So this is an electric car from Volkswagen, again, costing less than 25,000 euros, which I believe right now the conversion rate on that is roughly 26 something thousand US dollars, something like that. This has range of up to 450 kilometers, as spacious as a Golf. Oh, look, did I not just say that? Funny enough, it kind of looks like a Golf, and as affordable as a Polo, another version, another car there from Volkswagen. And premium innovations such as Travel Assist, IQ Light, or Electric Vehicle Route Planner is included in this car. The production version will be based on the new MEB entry platform, which I'm going to have to look deeper into that in terms of what that entails. And again, here's a shot of the actual car itself. Pretty nice if you ask me. I like the way that looks. Pretty sleek, simple design, and I really like the blue color, and obviously they'll have other colors, but blue is really nice there. And I mentioned some of these specs already, but just to say them again here for you guys, there's front-wheel drive on this vehicle, range of up to 450 kilometers, as you guys can see, with innovative technological features such as Travel Assist, IQ Light, or Electric Vehicle Route Planner, and a new Volkswagen design language, which that's going to be quite interesting. And the production version will be based on the MEB entry platform, which I mentioned already, and is one of 10 new electric models that Volkswagen will launch by 2026. So So yeah, they're putting in work, guys. Tesla better be ready, not only to have competition from Volkswagen, but also BYD, and of course, a lot of other companies as well, mainly BYD and Volkswagen. I think those are the two biggest, at least the way I'm looking at it here, competitors for Tesla. And Thomas Schaefer, the CEO of Volkswagen passenger cars, said, quote, "We are transforming the company rapidly and fundamentally," as they kind of have to at this point with the electrification of vehicles across the world, with the clear objective of making Volkswagen a genuine love brand. The ID2All shows where we want to take the brand. We want to be close to the consumer and offer top technology in combination with fantastic design. We are implementing the transformation at a pace to bring electric mobility to the masses. And that is the key thing here, guys. That is the key thing right here. We are implementing the transformation at pace to bring electric mobility to the masses. Volkswagen will present the production version of the ID2All for the European market in 2025, and the goal is a starting price of less than 25,000 euros, which again is very affordable for the majority of people out there. And look at this, guys. This is the back end of the backside of the vehicle. Not too bad at all. You can see here, two doors. You know, it kind of looks like a Golf in a way. It's got a very sleek blue design. The taillights are very interesting there. I like that. The red Volkswagen logo, not too bad. And I actually used to have a Volkswagen. I'm actually a fan of this brand. I still miss my Volkswagen. It just completely went bust on me. The repair cost was like $7,000. I was like, I'm not paying that. Gonna buy a new car. Ended up buying a new car, a different car. But I still miss my Volkswagen, and maybe they do. I mean, they do. They always will have a soft spot in my heart. I do like the company. I like all German cars, guys. German cars are fantastic. We can see here the interior. It's looking pretty sleek. My goodness, guys, that looks really nice. I would love to have this car right now. I mean, to test drive this would be awesome, but of course, it is not anywhere near production yet. We can see here the front side, the side here, and you can see the different technical data here, which we're not going to dive too deep into it in this video. But yeah, look at these pictures, guys. This is the media right here. Bunch of pictures of the car. So yeah, needless to say, guys, without getting too deep into this, Tesla's going to have a lot of competition moving forward, and especially on that cheaper model. And at this point, it's a race to see which one of these companies could actually come out and produce an affordable vehicle for the masses. Will it be Tesla? Will it be Volkswagen? Will it be BYD? Let me know in the comments, guys. Time will tell. And before we actually break down the stock chart here very quickly, make sure you get up to 17 free stocks from Moomoo. Link down below. It's limited time, guys, so if you haven't done that already, make sure you do that. Go to the link down below. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock. If you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more free shares, plus 2 shares of either AI or BBAI. And listen to this, if you deposit at least $1,000, you get another 10 stocks, totaling 17 free stocks. So if you want some free money, guys, free stocks, you also want to help out the channel, use that link down below. I appreciate you guys as always. And now let's take a look at Tesla stock chart, then we'll wrap up the video. So you guys can see the stock's been pretty much all over the place lately, especially the past couple of months and honestly the past couple of weeks. You guys probably remember Tesla got hit all the way down to $100 a share back in the beginning of this year. Really, that was throughout the course of December, where it lost 50% from $200 down to about $100. Then it doubled back up and some throughout the course of January heading into February. And over the past roughly 2 months, it's been bouncing between $210, $15 to about $170, $175. So it's been trading in this $30, $40 window over the past roughly 2 months. And we can see here over the past couple of days, really the past 2-ish weeks, it's been starting to climb out of the hole. It's been trying to, at least, right? We can see here it hit 165, and over the past 2 weeks, like I said, we've been making higher lows and higher highs. You guys can see them right here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, and we've been hitting these higher highs as well, to the point where last week we actually momentarily broke out of the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and then later on, later in the week, Thursday, Friday, we ended up getting back under the 180 SMA, but still we're holding, as you guys can see, a higher low at this point. Let me actually pull up the channel tool. You guys will be able to see it. You guys see that right here. Boom, we're technically at a higher low. So in the very short term, guys, I'm watching Tesla in this channel right here? Are we going to end up falling through, let's say 185, 180? Maybe we start dumping down. That would not be good for the bulls, obviously. Or do we end up bouncing at about 190, maybe start running towards the top of that channel again, 200, maybe 205? That's kind of where we're trading right now in this channel on the 20-day 1-hour chart. And if we pull up the 4-hour chart again to kind of see a larger or a broader perspective, right? We're still technically under that 210, 215 triple top where we were at back in February, which is a very big level of resistance moving forward. So at this point, guys, and mind you, as of last week, did we not just hit a lower high based on, kind of where we've been trading? You guys see what I'm talking about, right? So that's going to be a sticking point. So heading into these next couple of days, guys, we really need to see what Tesla does at about 200 to 205 on the upside. That is a very big level of resistance. If we fail to break out of 200, 205, 210, bulls could be in store for a lot of pain. A lot of pain. This could end up dumping back down under the moving averages. Maybe it starts to go back down towards 165, 170. That's going to be it's going to be, let's just say, interesting to watch. It's going to be interesting to watch, to say the least here, what happens at about 200, 205 on Tesla, 190 as well. This is a big level of resistance. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And feel free to check out my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Patreon portfolio. Watch me build that out. I just actually added a new stock to that Patreon portfolio yesterday, so go check it out. Link down below. You also get access to the Discord chat, my charts and thoughts throughout the day, and you get one-on-one access with me throughout the day on Patreon, so go check it out down below. And don't forget to get up to 17 stocks from Moomoo and 12 stocks from Webull. Free stocks, guys, link down below. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Tesla's in trouble, or are they not? I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you guys later.